Hey everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to attach fingers from your Ironman armor to gloves or whatever you would need. First you need to find the files, and if you go onto Instagram, the creator is Walsh3D. I'll have the link in the description below. I have the files from there already loaded onto my computer so you can see how I have everything set before I printed them out and everything. Okay, as you can see here is all the finger files listed or put as the way you would have your fingers. So once I have those all printed, you could scale them up or scale them down if needed. You could just easily go in here and just pull up the analysis thing, go to measure, and then you can go measure by the N, X, Y, or Z axis, and then I can tell you like how the distance is. For example, right here, to go across the Z axis right here from side to side, that is 25.4, almost 25.5 centimeters. Not sure how many inches that is, but at least that gives you an idea of how big the finger is going to be. And also with the Welsh files, they have two different options where you can have options with joints, or excuse me, hinges or no hinges. The best option to go with is no hinges, because if they're on a hinge, they're very limited on how you can move your fingers. And also if your finger was to get bent the wrong way, they're going to break. At least with the no hinges, you can move your finger however you need. Okay, and so for this you're going to need your files already 3D printed. So I have mine already here. With mine I'm going to have to figure out how to attach these because I am unable to put my hand in while it's combined. I think I scaled it just right where it fits really well. And with my finger, see, if I try to pull this off, it's not going to happen. So probably would be best to use magnets or some kind of strap or something, just so you can hold those together so they're not popping apart on you. Okay, and for my finger files, I did something a little bit different. I'm not sure if anybody else has ever done this, but what I did is for each finger, like this one is the ring finger. I'm not sure. Right there you can see the letter R upside down, and then I also put the letter A to let me know that that is the ring finger, that's this finger here. That's to let me know that that's the first part. So if I pull another piece out, this one is pinky C, so they'll go on my pinky finger, and that's the last spot right there. And this one is ring finger C, so I need to take this one off and put this on here, and then you would put, there you go, just gives you an idea, so that way all your pieces are the exact same, in the right order, because the ring finger and the index finger are the exact same size, and you just need to probably just change it just a little bit, because one finger could be a little bit bigger than the other. Okay. And there's different ways that you can put these fingers on hands. You could do what I originally did for a previous build. I had a work glove. I can't find exactly that one right now. But what you could do, you would just take a glove like this, and then you would just literally, let's see, that is ring finger and ring finger, and like that. And then you would just hot glue, super glue, Gorilla Glue, CA glue, any kind of super adhesive that you could think of, and you could attach it on there like this. The only problem with that is if the glue doesn't catch properly or it doesn't adhere right, you'll lose a finger. You can lose like a piece of a finger. Let's see, and here we go. Is that middle finger B, middle finger B. Oh, actually, these gloves it makes it a little tighter. And also, that's another thing, you might have to scale up just a little bit more, just to, I don't know, it's kind of cutting circulation. Uh-oh. Gotta go up just a little bit, maybe like another 2 to 5% just to increase if you're going to use gloves. There's another way that you could put these fingers on, and you could also look at the video from the YouTuber, his YouTube channel, Frankly Built. I'll have his channel linked below in the description. What he did, he actually put a piece of elastic that went in between. I have some elastic here that I bought from Amazon. I'll have that in the description as well. You have your elastic here, and then you would just, first you would set your pieces A, B, C to make sure that you don't get them messed up. So once you have them all on there like this, then you would just glue that on there. Then that way all 3 parts of your finger are together, and it'll bend, stretch as much as the elastic will stretch. I'm not going to glue mine today because I still have to do some work on them. I got to sand them down. I got to make sure I get to clean up the inside because there's still some supports in there. And I printed these using the raft support, and let me tell you, that makes such a big difference. I get a whole lot less, failures with printing. And there's also, you have to worry about, sometimes you got to watch what you're scaling. Trying to scale some of these is a little difficult because if you try to do the one axis to go from the front, the first finger to the back, it has to hit, the little measuring point has to hit 2 sides in order to do that measurement. And with these finger files, it doesn't really work that well. It works great side to side on your Z axis, and then going up and down on this axis here. So you just kind of have to guess. You're going to go through some prints where it's just not going to work. So, and that is it for right now. I'm going to work on actually assembling one hand. I'm going to do the elastic method. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and again, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment below, and remember to hit the bell notification to let you know when I post a new video. Thanks. Bye.